issue, but if we could shift that whole line of lights over 2 feet.
To the west?
2 feet, yeah, to the left there, then that would solve that issue.
But it's kind of hard to see. Let me highlight the reflected ceiling. Yeah. See that? It's like a magenta colored ceiling or pink.
Yes.
That's a 12-foot ceiling, and that's only how wide it is. If he goes over 2 feet, changes there.
Oh yeah, because
Like
oh boy, yeah, that's a design issue. That's centered.
Exactly.
What we would have to do is shift that light down.
Let's check this RFI off.
If we could switch out, okay, you see where that supply air vent is next to the light? Go back up there.
Here.
Yeah, go back up. Where that duct is.
Yeah.
If we could switch.
What if that moves south?
Yeah, if we switch that light with the supply air, then that would solve that.
Right. You move 2 feet south with your supply air diffuser, and then move the lights south 2 feet, right?
Correct.
But the whole line would have to move, I would think, for it to look symmetrical. Mm-hmm. It's all aesthetics, man.
Yeah, it is. Oh boy, they're going to have a...
The architectural part of these buildings pretty much drives.
So this is you're right, it does. And so this will be a good little task for the engineer to figure out for us, right?
Well, okay. One thing we could do is move that light down 2 feet and the one on the other end down 2 feet. I mean, up 2 feet. So it's just the lights on the ends could move in. That way the ones in the center stays where they are.
It would make it look symmetrical. It would make it look even, but
yes.
We can suggest that. I'll make a snapshot of this.
Okay.
Like I say, when I write the RFI, we'll send it in, and I'll copy you, Greg, and Paris, and we'll see if we can get a turnaround, see if we can get this level complete.
Okay.
Because I know we're going to come up with some of these issues because of these 12-foot ceilings.
Right. Absolutely.
All they do is hose everything. It's a freaking pipe dream as far as I'm concerned.
Okay, so
anyway, I wanted to go over those. See, this is
another all thread.
Another all
right through the duct.
But we know what we're doing there.
Yep.
We're splitting the model in two.
That's a hanging light, and I'm not gonna. That's a hanging light that's right over the unit. We know that's not going to happen.
Let's move on. We know.
Yeah.
We know.
Okay.
Let's just remove that one.
That's another all thread. I can see it right there.
Okay.
That's what I mean. It's kind of little.
These are field issues. They're gonna work out.
But it would be nice to have these on a different layer. I could freeze them and go through the rest of them.
He's gonna do that.
Yeah.
And I'll have it done tomorrow.
Yeah, Jeff, I'll give you a call as soon as the upload is made.
Cool. This is kind of pointless to go over these right now, is what I'm getting.
Sure.
I agree. I'm ready to cut this meeting loose, and we'll get on. We'll look at the big ticket items on level 2 tomorrow.
Now, there are just a few feeders on this first floor, but I didn't see any issue with those.
Very good.
Right. Absolutely. Okay. Hey, Greg, if you guys don't have any more questions, looking good, and we'll set up another one of these reviews and go over it tomorrow for level 2. I'll do a little bit of research, and while Paris is working on the other thing, then we can get together and go over it.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, man. Thanks very much.
Talk to y'all later.
All right, bye.
Bye.